Hello students, like my channel and please subscribe it. In the earlier videos, we have solved section A and section B part, that is English language and mathematics. Here we are going to solve section C part, that is general knowledge of an Sainik school entrance examination of version code D. 76th question. In which sport is the term knockout used? In the boxing, knockout is used. Knockout is a blow that sends one of the boxers to the mat, unable to continue fighting. So, knockout is used in boxing. 77th. The reading above dash on a Richter scale can cause severe damage. Here, Richter scale is used to measure a earthquake. So, it is 5. On the reading above 5 on a Richter scale can cause severe damage. So, correct answer is 5. 78th one. Which bacteria is responsible for the formation of curd? So it is a lactobacillus bacteria which can responsible for the formation of curd. That is lactobacillus acidophilus bacteria. Next question, 79th one. Which one of the following statement is true about fossil fuels? First option, they are renewable resources. No, they are non-renewable. They are found within the top layer of the earth crust. No, they are at the bottom level. They are formed over the course of 10 years. No, they can take 100 to 1000 years. So this one is also wrong. They are the remains of once living organism. So this one is the correct statement about the fossil fuels. So the option is fourth one. Now next question, 80. Where did Buddha attain enlightenment? That is Bodh Gaya. Buddha attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya. So this one is the correct answer. 81th. Who invented electric bulb? Electric bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison, not Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell invented a telephone. 82. Pick out the incorrect statement here. So see the statements. Gravitation affects only part of the earth. So gravitation affects all part of the earth, not only a part of the earth. So this is the incorrect statement here. Again, we will see next statements also. Gravitation pulls iron, correct. Gravitational prevents things from floating, correct. Aeroplane do not fly in the gravitational field, correct. So option 1 is the incorrect statement here. 83rd one. Where is the famous Meenakshi temple located? So Meenakshi temple is located in Madurai. So correct answer is Madurai here. Now go to the next question, 84th one. What process is involved in cloud seeding, which is a technique that induces rain? So which produces rain? That is adopting an agricultural practice that depends on clouds. This is wrong. When water vapor in the atmosphere cools and condenses around a particle of dust or salt, wrong. Making clouds and placing them in the sky. This one is correct. Scattering clouds to form seed-like structures. So they have asked what process is involved in cloud seeding and which is a technique that induces rain. That is making clouds and placing them in the sky. This is the process involved in cloud seeding. So correct answer is third one. 85th. Which part of the earth supports its biodiversity? So it is a biosphere. Biosphere supports biodiversity. Not only sanctuary, ecosystem reserve, biotic community, it is a biosphere. 86th, what do tissues help in? First is faster development. Second is division of labor among cells. So tissues helps in division of labor among cells is the correct answer. Not body strength, not a higher reproductive potential. So correct answer is second one. Now 87th one. Who was the chief of army during the Indo-Pak War 1971? So during the 1971, who was the army chief? General P.P. Kumar Mangalam. Second one, Field Marshal S.H.F.J. Manekeshav. General Jayant Chaudhary. General K.S. Timaya. So it is the second one. Go to next question, 88th. Salman Rushdie won the Booker Prize for which book? Not Satanic Verses. It is a Midnight's Children. So correct answer is Midnight's Children. 89th one. Which vitamin deficiency leads to bleeding of gums, slow healing of wounds and aching limbs? It is a vitamin C. So bleeding of gums is caused by vitamin C. Question number 90. Which state or union territory is Nanda Devi located in? So Nanda Devi is located in Uttarakhand. 91th. What does white color in the national flag represent? So white color in the national flag represent peace and truth. 92. Which classical dance form is named after a village it originated from? It is a Kuchipudi dance, which is a classical dance form, is named after the village it has been originated. 93rd question. What is the major source of fresh water in India? It is a groundwater. So groundwater is the fresh water source in India. Even the river water is also there. So groundwater is major source here. 94th one. Name the holy book of Parsis. It is a Jain Avesta. It is a holy book of Parsis. 95th one. Where is the United Nations headquarters located? It is in New York. United Nations headquarters is in New York. Not in Vienna, Paris or Zurich. 96th. Which sweet is deep fried, dipped in sugar syrup, round shaped and usually orange in color? So you know that sweet. That is deep fried and dipped in sugar syrup is jalebi. Who has won the Sushila Devi Literature Award for the novel Things to Leave Behind? It is Namita Gokhale. So she won the Sushila Devi Literature Award for her novel Things to Leave Behind. So 98th question. Pick an example of water pollution. How water get polluted, and oil spills from the large ship, then also water get polluted. Animals walking along the beach, no. Drinking water out of a plastic bottle, no. Gasoline in a car. So first is the example of water pollution here. Now 99 one. By what other name is the water cycle known as? Hydrological cycle. That is option 3 is the right answer here. Now go to the last question of general knowledge, that is what is meant by seed coat? First one, hard cover around the food store. No. Hard cover around the baby plant. No. It is a protective outer coat of a seed. So this one is correct. Hard cover around the roots of the plant. No. So it is a protective outer coat of a seed. Seed coat is the protective outer coat of the seed. So third one option is the correct one. In the next videos, we will discuss the intelligence part of, that is section D of Science School Entrance Examination. Thank you.